Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contract applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of fraud or third-party. These apps run on a custom-built blockchain, an enormously powerful shared global infrastructure that can move value around and represent the ownership of property.
The Ethereum project was launched in 2014 by Vitalik Buterin, a young programmer who was born in Russia and raised in Canada.
He became interested in Bitcoin when he was 17 years old and decided to try and build his own cryptocurrency. Ethereum works by running scripts on a decentralized network of computers. These scripts are run by users who volunteer their computing power to help run the network.
Ethereum is different from other cryptocurrencies because it allows for more complicated scripts to be run, whereas Bitcoin only allows for simple transactions.
The Ethereum blockchain is also Turing-complete, which means that it can theoretically be used to run any program that can be written in computer code. This makes it possible for developers to create applications that can do anything that a regular computer can do. One of the most popular applications that have been built on Ethereum is a decentralized version of Kickstarter called crowdfunding. This application allows people to pledge money to fund projects without having to go through a third party like Kickstarter. Another popular application is an online marketplace called Augur, which allows people to predict the outcomes of events and get paid for their prediction.
These are just two examples of the many different kinds of applications that can be built on Ethereum. Investing in Ethereum is a way to support the development of new and innovative applications. It's also a way to hedge against Bitcoin, as Ethereum is seen as an alternative to Bitcoin.
Ethereum is still a very young project with a lot of potential. Some people believe that Ethereum will eventually become the global standard for blockchain applications, while others think that it will be replaced by newer and better technologies. Ethereum has already seen tremendous growth in value, and there is potential for continued growth in the future. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on crypto and stocks.